Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to make a Jamboard through the Google Apps. The first thing we're going to do is to click on the waffle that's at the right hand corner, which is right here. Once you do that, you are going to be taken to a drop down menu. This will lead us to step 2. You're going to scroll down on the drop down menu and select Jamboard, which is right here. Then you are going to select your app, and we are going to move on to step 4 at this point. On the bottom right corner, you can see an orange plus sign. Click on that to start your new Jamboard. So once you click here, you are going to be taken to step 5. You have now created your Jamboard. You can now give it a title. So as you can see, I've changed my title. You can make your title anything you want. Click on the background to choose the one you like for your board. So here is the background icon. Click on it to select the background you like for your Jamboard. On the left-hand menu, you can select various items to use on your board. Here, you can select the pen, eraser. You can add a sticky note, an image, a circle, or a text box. There's a few other features here like the arrow. And here's the menu. You get to select anything that you want from here. For example, adding a sticky note. If you click on that, you can add it here onto this board. If you select an image, if you click on the image, you get to select the image from the Google image search engine and then basically add it onto your board here. Once you do those things, you can now have personalized your board. You can basically, like I said before, add a sticky note, write a message that you want for your audience, add an image, rotate the image. If you look here on this arrow on the top left corner, you can use that arrow to rotate your image. You also will have an option to rotate the sticky note. There are 3 dots here that you can use to edit your image or delete it. Those are the menu options that come up when you click on these 3 dots here. And so now you have successfully created your Google Jamboard in just 8 simple steps. And the one thing I like about Jamboard is that I've been using it with my students and it's very helpful. They get to interact with one another, and it gives us, for remote learning, it gives them a space to share each other's thoughts, and gather ideas, and just have a little space for communication. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.